Nothing is hard. It's just unfamiliar. Again, nothing is hard. It's just unfamiliar. So, if you want to be great at something, you need to keep repeating it over and over again hanggang sa masanay ka na. A little backstory lang, when I started like taking seriously talaga yung pagiging content creator last 2025 of March, hindi masyado ako confident on how should I present myself in front of camera kasi ang weird makipag-usap sa inyo ng ganito na parang camera lang din yung kinakausap ko. It's so hard to be yourself in front of camera as in it takes a lot of practice. Pero sabi nga nila, di ba, practice makes perfect. Paulit-ulit na yan na quotes, pero totoo talaga yun, Like, if you want to be great at something, dapat ipaulit-ulit mo yan, hanggang sa masanay yung nervous system mo, hanggang sa maging comfortable ka na gawin yon, and it looks like hindi ka na trying hard na gawin yon. Same as you, if ever na meron kang gustong subukan, like for example, public speaking, yung laway ko, gusto mo mag-business, and parang natatakot ka, baka mag-flop, girl, just start. Like, literally, just start. Ang dami din nag-aasa sa akin, paano mag-start being a content creator. Girl, just start. As in, just start, yun lang talagang kailangan mo, You will figure out a lot of things na kailangan mong i-adjust or i-develop sa sarili mo when you are in that process of figuring out kung paano mo pa made-develop yung skills mo. Bigyan mo yung sarili mo ng chance na i-try yung isang bagay bago mo i-judge yung sarili mo na hindi mo talaga kayang gawin yung isang bagay. Even pag go sa gym, di ba? Wala naman sigurong gym goer na parang first time niya pa lang sa gym, malakas na siya agad. Like, kaya niya nang magbuhat ng, let's just say, 50 pounds, di ba? Walang ganun, Then progressive overload, 10 pounds, 30 pounds, di ba, It takes a lot of time and it takes a lot of practice hanggang sa masanay na yung sarili mo. Again, if you want to be great at something, you need to keep repeating it over and over again hanggang sa masanay ka na. Nothing is hard. Nothing is hard. It's just you are uncomfortable. So keep repeating it hanggang sa maging comfortable ka na. Okay? That's all, and keep going.